15 minutes that could change your baby's life. That's all it takes to save your baby's umbilical cord stem cells and protect their long-term health. As a parent, you want to help keep your baby safe from all of life's bumps and bruises. With stem cell storage, you can. Your baby's stem cells could repair their damaged tissue, regenerate worn-out body parts, regrow entire organs, and cure life-threatening diseases, not just today, but for the rest of their life. Collecting your baby's stem cells is simple, safe, quick, and completely non-invasive. Your baby's stem cells may treat autism, cerebral palsy, stroke, diabetes, motor neuron disease, and more. You only have one chance to save these stem cells, one chance to access cord blood therapies, one chance that could change your baby's life. Visit us at Cells4Life.com.